Today we'll be showing you how to convert your albums using our LP and tape to CD system. We've made it easy to take your records, cassettes, and other media and convert them to a digital format. Sounds difficult? It's not. To prove this, I'm going to walk you through the whole process right here, right now. In this video, we will specifically talk about how to transfer from a turntable on a Mac computer. Here's our mixer. We will first need to plug in our AC adapter and turn it on using the power switch. The A slider pictured here allows you to control the input volume. Set it to about the third bar to start. You can always change it later. This is a source select. Set it to phono for turntables and line for all other devices. The fader slider lets you choose between two components. Since today we will be using channel A, you can leave it all the way to the A side. To start, we'll first need to connect the turntable to the mixer. Included is an RCA cable with a ground wire attached. Connect the white RCA cable into the white RCA terminal on the turntable. The same goes for the red side. Then attach the ground wire. Connect the other end of the cable to channel A of the mixer the same way. Once that we have the turntable connected to the mixer, we will need to connect the output of the mixer to the computer so we can record into the software. Since we are using a Mac, we will need a USB adapter. A USB adapter has RCA cables on one end and a USB cable on the other. Connect the RCA side to the back of the mixer labeled sound card/amp. Connect the USB side to an open port on your computer. Now that we have all the hardware set, we need to set our default recording input on our computer. It's easy. Open your sound icon in System Preferences. Under Input, make sure USB PMP audio device is selected. I have my input volume set to the second notch. You can now load up the Audio Workshop. Our new software has improved upon our recording and editing programs and combined them all into one easy-to-use suite. You can record, edit, remove clicks and pops, equalize, and split tracks all within this single application. You can see the Audio Workshop here. The three main sections are recording, editing, and splitting, which each have their own tab. The recording section is used for exactly what it sounds like, recording. To begin recording, press the red record button and begin playing from your turntable. You should see the waveforms moving, which means the computer is receiving the audio from the turntable. When the side of the record is finished, press stop and select the next button to bring your converted audio into the editing section. The editing section is where you can remove portions of audio, remove pops and clicks, zoom in and out, equalize, and much, much more. To remove pops and clicks, you'll first need to create a noise profile. Zoom in and highlight a small area before the song actually starts. Then select Effects, Noise Removal, Step 1. Now that we have a noise profile, you can select Step 2, which will remove the pops and clicks. Once you've finished editing, you can select the next button to bring your audio into the splitting section. Here in the splitting section, you will be able to separate your songs into individual tracks. We have two methods of doing this. You can automatically analyze tracks by silence, or manually add track markers. To automatically analyze by silence, go to Settings, Analyze Tracks by Silence. You'll then see markers that show where the tracks will be. Double check and make sure it is accurate. You can add or remove markers by clicking on the plus and minus signs here. Once the markers are added, you can go to File, Save Tracks As. You can now choose your file format and name your tracks. Once you have chosen a format and a target path, select Use Custom Track Names and type the names into the Track Names box. Select Encode and Save. That's it. Your files are now saved on your computer in a digital format. It really is that easy. Thanks for watching. Please leave comments and don't forget to subscribe to our channel below.